Hello, this is InduEye stand in the European Pavilion of GITEX here in Dubai in 2023. Let me show you how the system works. As you know, this InduEye is the first net zero self-powered Internet of Things device for assets monitoring. The main technology is based off converting industrial heat, in this example this is a 90 degrees Celsius, into clean electricity. Three main elements are needed for the full deployment. First of all, the heat converter. This thermoelectric generator converts the heat of this process into clean electricity that powers this edge computing device that sends data using LoRaWAN up to 14 kilometers of distance from the device to the cloud. And this is a vibration sensor where we are able to monitor in real time how this motor is vibrating. This is a 3-axis vibration sensor that communicates with the cloud. So mainly, this is an example of our real installation. So we have here, this is a biogas plant. This is more or less, this is a steam pipeline where you attach with clamps the thermoelectric generator, this one. Then you attach the IoT device anywhere in the facility, the IoT. And finally, this is the motor we are monitoring, in this case a pump, the motor. Another similar use case in Repsol, in Cepsa, this is also a chemical factory. The thermoelectric generator in touch with the heat surface, the IoT device, and also the vibration sensor installed in the back of this motor. Okay? Data travels to a cloud, and then we are able to connect to our cloud platform. It's called AEInnova. It's running on AWS. I go here to dashboards. I connect with this dashboard, and we're connected now into Ireland, and this is the real-time monitoring of this motor. So we are connecting what is happening to the motor, mainly in data summarized by hours, by days, in the last frame we have obtained. We can also define the trend lines to define the ISO 10816, that is the ISO of vibrations. Also define what all the levels of criticity of this motor, the heat map of the most repeated values, and also the levels of criticity depending on the day and hour. Then also I'm able to access to any kind of this graph, maximize data, can go back and forth in the time, for example, from the very beginning of the fair to today, and I see all data in real time. But also can go, for example, yesterday. I click here and I can make a zoom of data and see how it has been vibrating during the day. And you will see that we are obtaining data every few minutes, from 10 minutes to half an hour every day. Finally, I'm also available of creating alarms depending on the level of criticity of this device. So first net zero market device in the market, and thanks for your attention.